These are the elevators of the Hubbard Palm Tower office building in downtown Sarasota, Florida. These originally looks like they were Otis, but they're sadly modernized with innovation, possibly by Kone. A weird mono type innovation, like Prestige, I think. Flat lantern. 7. Here you go. This looks like a recent Florida elevator modernized it. Are you kidding me? Maybe these are General originally, or Dover or something. Because there are 7-floor hydros. That's definitely a new motor though. Here's 7. Phone, certificate, Florida elevator, basic and nice cabs, now cab I believe. These are seriously 7-floor hydros for a set of 2 elevators in a building like this. This is ridiculous. Yeah, this looks like a recent mod. I bet you the last time I was in Sarasota, which was in 2014, these probably would have been whatever these were originally. Here the other one go up. Bit bumpy. I mean, it's a nice mod.